Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my complete guide to Spring Boot and microservices tutorial. So we'll be getting started with that, and this is our first tutorial where I'll teach you how to install Java and set up on your machines. We will be installing Java version 11 on our machines from the Oracle website. So let's just start with that. So now let's just search like Java. So we are downloading the 11 version. So I'll just type on Google Chrome Java 11 download. The very first link that is from oracle.com. We'll go to this. And now here you can see it's showing the latest Java 17 version available now. And if you want, you can also download any other version based on your choice. So you can download Java version 17 as well. Here you get for Linux, Mac as well as Windows. And since I mentioned I'll be downloading Java 11, so here you can see there are two segments, one for Java 8 and another one is for Java 11. So I'll just click on the tab on Java 11, and here you can see it provides all these operating systems. So I have a Windows machine. I'll go over here and I'll click on this. It might ask you to log in. If you have some credentials of Oracle already, you can log in with that and then click on this link to download further. If in case you do not have, you can also create your own account on Oracle using your any of the Gmail account. It's not chargeable. Once you log in from your account, you just simply click on this and then you check this box, and then this button gets enabled to download your specific Java 11 exe file. So I have already downloaded this. Let me just open it. Okay, so here I have my Java. So here you can see I have already downloaded the exe. What I'll do is I'll just double click on it and it will start the installation process. So here you can see it is prompting. You can select yes. Then this wizard will open and it will ask for certain details which you want. You can customize it yourself. So it is telling that it will be installed into C, program files, Java and JDK version 11. This will be the path on which your Java installation will work. So that's fine for us. Let's continue. If you want, you can also change that and customize based on your requirement wherever you want to install it. So simply you can click close. Now I'll go to the terminal and do a Java hyphen version to see if it is installed. Now you can see that I am getting Java hyphen version as 11. That means that the 11 version has been installed on my machine. So if you get this, that means your Java is properly installed. If in case you get some error like Java is not recognized, that means your installation was not properly working. So maybe you can check with us, or maybe into comments. If you face any such issue, you can comment that and we will try resolving your issues at the earliest. Apart from this, we had this Java installation done, and now let's continue to our next steps. Stay tuned for more updates.